So you're looking for a job, but you're not able to get the right callbacks, right? Or maybe you just recently decided to change job and are out of one, and you're looking to go into the market after not being unemployed for a very long time. Applying for jobs is tiresome and it's an arduous process, so we all know that. But in this day and age, you can get a lot of help using the power of AI. And that's exactly what this video is going to be about, as I share 5 AI tools that will help you apply jobs in a smarter, faster way. So if you want to know them, stay tuned for the end of this video. And if you find this video useful in any way, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can continue to learn the building blocks for this age of AI. So the first tool on the list is Simplify. With over 200,000 jobs from some of the most popular brands out there, whether it's Netflix, Nvidia, Discord, Simplify is just an easy Chrome extension that allows you to literally simplify the entire application process, and as they say, help you with your job search. There's over 15 million applications submitted using their extension, and the tool itself gives you curated matches, making it easier to find jobs for specific industries quickly. So it saves you tremendous hours to build your resume, search, and apply. Some key features is that they have this AI copilot, which automates the job application process through autofill, and their job application trackers allows you to keep track of all the jobs you've applied for. And you can use the AI to build out your resume quickly. And next on the list is Jobscan. Perhaps you have a resume you think works, but aren't really sure how it stacks up to other applicants or what people are looking for. Jobscan will help you optimize your resume to ideally get you more interviews. With many companies using applicant tracking systems to search and filter resumes, the tool makes your resume fit for these systems so that, according to them, you can increase your interview chances by 50%. Some key features include the resume checker, which checks and optimizes your resume for ATSs or application tracking systems. And you can scan your resume or cover letter and get suggestions on how to make it better. You can also optimize your LinkedIn profile so you have a higher chance of getting seen. And you can build out your resume that is, as I mentioned, application tracking system friendly. And then the next tool is Coverdoc.ai. So perhaps you have a nice resume, but you aren't the best writer. Having a beautifully persuasive cover letter can make or break your application. This is why knowing how to write an awesome cover letter is so crucial when applying for jobs. Coverdoc is an AI tool that helps you apply for jobs by using AI to write personalized cover letters that match the company's requirements. So instead of spending hours on writing out personalized cover letters for each company you're applying for, fill in a couple of details about the job, and like that, the AI can send you a cover letter directly to your inbox. Key features is, of course, the AI cover letter builder that I've talked about earlier. And then you can also get company insights that save you time on endless research. And you can receive recommended questions for an interview with suggested answers to help you stay prepared for those interviews. And then there's Teal. If you want to build out a resume super quick and get a better understanding on how it stacks up to others, Teal is the AI tool that does exactly that. From resume and cover letter builders to autofill, this platform automates the entire job application process by getting everything done faster, easier, and potentially better. Some key features is, of course, the aforementioned AI resume builder, and then there's the job application tracker, which I talked about as well, and their autofill application, which helps speeding up your application process by autofilling repeating questions. And additionally, there's a resume checker feature, which gives you a score to see how well your resume looks. And then finally on this list is KickResume, with over 1,000 reviews averaging at about 4.5 stars, and the same on Google and App Store. KickResume is an AI-powered resume builder that does exactly that, which is build awesome resumes. So whether you're coming out of school or just want to refine your existing CV, you can use KickResume to create a resume in half the time. So don't spend so much time trying to make your resume pop, just let AI do it for you. Key features is, of course, customized templates that you can choose from to make your resume look awesome. The AI writer, which allows you to generate text in a matter of seconds. The resume checker, which evaluates the power of your existing resume and you can get some feedback on it, on how to improve it. And of course, the AI cover letter builder, which gets your first draft of a cover letter out in seconds. So I hope this was useful. It's a very short list because I want to keep it simple for now. If there are any more tools or you found this video helpful, leave a comment down below if you want to see more. And make sure to subscribe to this channel so we can navigate the digital ocean we call AI together.